So this is BUN CHA.
This is BUN CHA. I'll send you.
I'm just doing a quick video because I've never had this before, so I think you're gonna have to show me how to eat it. So what do? You basically take this, you put it in here.
So I've never seen people put the stuff in there, but what happens is you put whatever spices you want into your thingy.
Okay.
Yeah. So for me it's this. I know how you're gonna go.
Yes, I will do spicy.
And then you get a spoon, and you get chopsticks, and you grab your noodles because this is a noodle dish. Yeah.
Okay,
So you grab your noodles and put some in the sort of sauce. You mix it and you eat it. And you put some greens.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Put some greenery in there. And you mix it and match it and you enjoy it.
Awesome.